friends, welcome to today's video. My name is Rachel and today we are making some fun little advent tags. I made some recently in a Patreon video and I loved how they came out, and so I thought it would be fun to do that again. So I am going to use the two. Actually, I only end up using one sticker book. Actually, yeah, that's basically all I use except for enamel dots from my stash. And they came together so nicely. So the first thing I'm going to do is pull out the numbers 1 through 12, and I'm going to cut up some foam adhesive so that they'll all be up on foam. The last time I did this, I had black numbers, and so they really stood out on the tags. But I thought if these were flat, they wouldn't really stand out that much. They would kind of blend in because I am just using a sticker book. I'm not using foam stickers or chipboard or anything like that. It's just the sticker book. So this will help them pop a little bit so that you can see each of the numbers. So that's what I'm starting off by doing, putting a little bit of foam on each number. And these tags, they're just from like Amazon or something. I think I got them last year or the year before for gifts. And so I've been using them in my crafting. And now I'm going to start to go through the sticker book and pick out different things and put them on each tag. Really simple and straightforward. Nothing complex here. I do go in and sew around the tags afterwards, so you will not see me sew, but you'll see what they look like in the end. And yeah, so I'm just kind of going for themes for each one. So this tag you can see is like little picture frames. I'm going to add some little hearts that I had in my stash here. And yeah, we just kind of go for themes for each one. And yeah, so next one is going to be the gifts. This sticker book, I feel like can stretch so far. It's on the Scrapbook Nerd website, or at least at the time of recording this, it is. I've said this in a lot of my videos, I love the Mix and a Mingle, and Baking Spirits Bright collections from Simple Stories from last year. And I got a lot of it last year, and so I have tons left. So I've just been finding ways to use them up. I don't think I will use up the sticker books just because there are so many stickers, but making a dent in it for sure. Since I already made myself a set of Advent labels, I actually made them for an Advent swap that I did. These I think I'm going to gift to a pen pal or something. I don't know. I just think they're fun little tags that they can use in their December daily or crafting or on gifts or whatever. They don't have to use them, but I just think they're kind of cute. And yeah, so I'm thinking about gifting them to somebody, but we shall see what I end up doing. I do have a couple swaps that I'm working on that are a lot of fun, and racks for Christmas and stuff like that. So that definitely is a lot of fun. So the first one I went for the picture frames, the second one I went for the presents, and then the third one I grabbed the Christmas trees to put on. So they all look a little bit different and special, but they all definitely go together really well. Yeah, so what else? What was I just talking about? Oh yeah, collections. And I got this year a little bit of new stuff, but not a lot. I got a little bit of the Paige Evans collection. And that's, a little bit of Simple Stories Boho Christmas. But that is about it. I did not get much more. I kind of kept it simple because I still have so much stuff from last year. I just love these two collections so much. So that is why I kept it, I decided to save my money a little bit this year. And I'm really excited about the new collections coming in the new year. I'm recording this a couple weeks before this video goes up, but there are lots of new collections that have been announced between American Crafts and Simple Stories and other brands that I'm really excited about, whether they come out late this year or beginning of next year. Really excited and ready for a new year of collections and crafting. And there's some challenges that I want to do in the new year. Last year I did 30 days of scrapbooking and just recorded it in like reels. And I think I might do the same this year because it really helped me get far in my memory keeping. So I'm thinking about doing the same thing. I'm thinking about in the month of February because it's the shortest month and I'm not doing any traveling. Whereas the other months this winter, I am doing a little bit of traveling. So I'm thinking of maybe challenging myself to do that. Aside from the crafts that I make for videos and stuff, it'll just be like kind of personal crafting, personal memory keeping that I will do because I still do my normal videos and all that, but this will be separate from that. Okay, so for tag number 4, there were so many of those circular stickers, so I made a page of those circles. And then number 5, I used some gingerbread people. Number 6, I used those little flour and sugar containers, which I think are so cute, but I decided I'll just use them. I probably have them in the ephemera form. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm sure I have something similar in ephemera form. And you can really see how the number 6 pops on the foam. It would have really blended in if I didn't use foam. So I think that looks really good. And then number 7, I'm going to use some of these sweets here, cakes and such. And that is number 7. So you'll have to let me know down below if you have any goals for 2024 and crafting. I always say that I just want to continue to work on catching up, and I realize that it's not going to be something I can necessarily achieve, which is okay. But it's definitely like a hope that I will continue to work away at things. It's just a little bit difficult because this time of year from like September to December, I'm very specifically crafting Halloween and Christmas and fall and all that, and doing lots of happy mail this time of year. And soon I'm going to start Valentine's happy mail as well. So I'm not really focusing on my own scrapbooking. I'm doing like mini albums or December daily, of course, all of December and all of that. So I'm not really doing like keeping up with my memory keeping as much because of that. Which makes me go really behind. Maybe over the Christmas break, I'll have to do like a big catch-up session or something and just get a ton done. I think that would be would be helpful to just like sit for like 3 hours, put on some movies, and just go. Put a kit together and just get a lot done. Okay, so for number 8, I used that little stocking sticker that fit on there perfectly. Number 9, you will see that I did upside down, but I will eventually fix that to be 9 and not 6. I used those snow globes. And then number 10, I used some like baking supplies. Number 11, some word stickers. Number 12 was the reindeer. So you can see I fixed the 9, and that is it. And I did the sewing. I think it looks so good. I'm going to leave the link down below for Scrapbook Nerd if you want to do some shopping for yourself. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye.